Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the essentials of forming a joint venture, or JV, specifically tailored for government contracting. Whether you're a small business or an established firm, this guide will help you navigate the intricacies of setting up a JV for successful government partnerships. Let's get started. Firstly, understanding the joint venture concept is crucial. A JV is a business arrangement where two or more parties pool resources for a specific project. For government contracting, this can strengthen your bidding potential by combining expertise and financial resources. Step 1 involves selecting the right partners. Choose partners whose skills, reputation, and objectives align with your business's mission and goals. It's crucial to ensure mutual understanding and shared trust. Once partners are on board, determine the structure of your JV. Two common options are forming a limited liability company, or LLC, and a partnership. An LLC provides limited liability protection and can be beneficial for tax purposes, while a partnership might offer simplicity and flexibility. Consult with legal advisors to decide the best fit for your JV. Next, let's tackle the legal requirements. You'll need a written JV agreement outlining roles, responsibilities, financial contributions, and profit-sharing ratios among partners. When engaging in government contracting, it's vital to comply with the Small Business Administration, or SBA, regulations. The SBA may set requirements such as size standards and eligibility criteria. Be sure to register your JV with the SBA if you qualify as a small business. Approaching the final steps, draft the necessary agreements. Besides the JV agreement, a comprehensive operating agreement or partnership agreement is essential. Lastly, register your JV with relevant government entities, obtain a DUNS number, and register in the System for Award Management, or SAM, to be eligible for federal contracts. By following these steps, you position your JV for success in government contracting. Make sure to consult legal and industry experts throughout the process to ensure compliance and strategic alignment. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your joint venture.